I have a little shopping haul from several stores. My last time out, I needed Mod Podge. Picked up a few other things. If you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I have a haul video. I needed to go out. I needed to get some Mod Podge and a couple other things. And then these are the fun things that I got. So when I was at Hobby Lobby, I picked up these little stickers. I love puffy stickers. I just think these are really fun. I'm going to be using them for my home decor stuff, but also for cards and things that I want to make. Look at the little chickens. So anyway, I picked those up. I can't remember if they were 40 or 50, probably 40%, 40% off. My last trip to Dollar Tree, I picked up some napkins. And so yeah, I'll be using these in my paper crafting as well as on my new Dear Julie DIY channel. But I think they're really fun, and it looks like, I know this one's the whole napkin, and so has anybody paid attention to how many times they touch their face? I touch my face so much, and I'm noticing. I'm trying to catch myself. So yeah, so there you go. You get 6 Hello Springs and the cute little wheelbarrow and all that. So I think those will be really fun. And again, those were at Dollar Tree. It was good to see some cute napkins at Dollar Tree again. It had been a while. So I do most of my grocery shopping that is not, like the fresh meat and vegetables at the Dollar General, because it's right here. And so I usually pick up things, and this time on one of the ends there were these, and so I picked these up. I don't think I've picked them up before this year. I don't know. You'll know better than I will. My poor little brain. Okay, so you get 80 sheets. So there's 20 of each of these. You know, this is one of my favorite little ones. I love this. This, I figure, we can cover that and you still have a heart. And I'll figure something out with that. I mean, upside down, it kind of looks like a circus tent. But it'd be great for banners. So we'll play with that. I'm not a big diamond fan. I mean, look, my husband made this. It's stainless steel. If there's a magnet, I stick to it. But I love it. I made our first ones, the ones that we actually got married with were made out of twisty ties, because we went to get married and had forgotten to get rings. So I said, well, maybe I can make something out of twisty ties, and I did. So we have this one with the roses that says now. We've got lines, and these have 50 sheets each in them. This one says later. I love this with the list. You know how I love the list. You can either cut this off. You'll be able to put washi tape over it. 50. And this one says someday. And you have a graph paper. You have this. I mean, and any of these are going to be fine sideways. Well, maybe not that one. And I don't like my lines sideways. But this is going to be great sideways. Or like this. Folded in a book. Yep. So that was pretty exciting. I think it's kind of cool. Look at all these things kind of go together. Maybe I'll just go ahead and make a video of me playing. Okay, so next I went to Family Dollar because I needed tote boxes. And for my next thing that I need to get done at my house, I have stuff all over. And I know that in the end I have enough tote boxes, but right now I'm trying to separate things. I'm still separating out the items that I got from my mom and dad's house. and more stuff is still coming. And yeah, so I had to go there, and I always go and look and see if they had more of these stickers, and they did. So I picked them up, and I think I'm going to use them in this thing that I'm going to make. And then these are probably going to go, and I'm going to put together another kit, and these will be the star of the kit. So since I was able to get 5 of them, yeah, 5 of those, but only 2 of each of these. I don't know. I don't remember seeing this one before. That might be why there was 5. Yeah. So yeah, so there we go. And the tropical ones, I'm going to save those for the tropical stuff that I'm doing. But I think that these will be really fun, and they go with, you know, they go along with this. They'll work. They're colors. And then the other thing is, when I was cleaning out, I had to reorganize. I'm the organizer here. My husband gets everything to the shed, and then I had to go organize it. So I was organizing the holiday shed, and then making room for my Christmas things to make things, Christmas stuff, and putting it away, because I'm not going to be doing that right now. And I found a box with these in it. And I was like, oh my gosh, I think these will work. Maybe I might have to cut them down a little bit. But you know, I like to make the big pocket in these, and I think that they might work. So let's go ahead and check that out. Yeah, I don't know how I missed these, because they were with the file folders that we got, and the notepads, the paper clips. Oh, I don't know how I missed these, but I brought them in. Oh, it's really, really thick. I was like, is it like a folder, a little file folder? Okay, so it'll just need to be cut a little bit that way, and it'll just barely cut go out. So let's check this out. I mean, for me, this is going to be amazing to be able to just pop one of those in, yeah, just like that, into my large pockets. I think there's, oh, there's not, I thought there was a large pocket on the back of this one also, but there is one there. So there we go. So really, really cool. I will be putting these right here, and I'll be using these a lot. Be another one of my go-to things. Although, oh, and this needs something in it. So yeah, so that's my little haul, and it'll be my last one for a long time, you guys. And except that I do have a couple of boxes of things that I purchased, and I had to put them away because we had company. That I found out we were having company on my way home. So when I find those boxes, those will be the other hauls that you'll see. And possibly I might be able to get some things at Dollar General, like when I go for milk and stuff, if I go out. But I am going to be I'm going to be honoring the order and staying home. And so yeah, my husband is still, so far he's still able to go to work, and so we'll see. You know, that's day to day, that could change. So anyway, this is my haul video. I'm so excited for those of you that have been able to go out and get that sticker book. So here you guys see, I bought all these stickers, and even if I'd only bought one of each, that would be $3. And this whole book is, even if you had to pay the full price of $24.99, you're getting all those stickers. So I will link the video to this book if you haven't gotten to see it. It is called the Antiquarian Sticker Book. I got mine at Target. Several people have still been able to pick them up at Target. And some of them were able to pick it up and then order it online, pick it up in the store. And then Amazon is supposed to have it in stock on April 2nd. And a couple people that have pre-ordered it. So there you go. Of course, at Target, I got it 30% off. And then I got my 5% because I used my red card. And that week, there was an additional 5% you could get on your Target Circle. So I got it for 30% off and then another 10% off that. So that was kind of cool, I think. Yeah. So that is my haul for today. And again, it's probably my last one for a while. I did also get the Mod Podge, but it's in the other room where I keep my my DIY stuff. Find something to celebrate every day. Stay safe, and I'll see you here. Have a great day. Bye. Bye-bye.